Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We all know that refined sugar isn't the best choice for our health, but the good news is that there are plenty of healthier alternatives out there. In today's video, we'll be sharing the top 5 healthy substitutes for refined sugar that you need to try. These options will satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Let's get started. First up, we have honey. This natural sweetener is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Honey has a lower glycemic index than sugar, which means it won't spike your blood sugar levels as quickly. It's perfect for adding to your tea, yogurt, or even baking. Next on our list is maple syrup. Pure maple syrup contains minerals like calcium, potassium, and zinc, along with a wealth of antioxidants. It's a natural sweetener that pairs well with pancakes, oatmeal, smoothies, and even savory dishes. Just make sure you're using 100% pure maple syrup to get the full health benefits. Coconut sugar is another fantastic substitute for refined sugar. It's made from the sap of coconut palm trees and contains trace amounts of nutrients like iron, zinc, and potassium. Coconut sugar has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar, making it a better option for blood sugar control. Use it in your coffee, baking, or any recipe that calls for sugar. Stevia is a zero-calorie natural sweetener that comes from the leaves of the stevia plant. It's much sweeter than sugar, so a little goes a long way. Stevia doesn't raise blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those watching their sugar intake or managing diabetes. It's ideal for beverages like coffee, tea, or lemonade. Last but not least, we have dates. These naturally sweet fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. Dates can be blended into smoothies, energy balls, or even used to sweeten baked goods. They're a great whole food option that adds both sweetness and nutrition to your recipes. So there you have it, 5 healthy substitutes for refined sugar that you can start using today. These options are not only better for your health, but also add extra flavor and nutrition to your meals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy eating. Let me know in the comments which sugar substitute is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.